Section 1, Introduction. Dear one, welcome to my Dowsing with the Lecher Antenna Geobiology course. Basic Level 1, Intermediate Levels 2 and 3, and Advanced Level 4. And thank you so much for choosing my course. I am your instructor, Anne-Marie Delmotte. I was born in Belgium, where I got a science degree in clinical chemistry. Because I have always been sensitive to all kinds of energies, I looked for an instrument which can measure these energies in an objective and scientific manner. This is the case for the Lecher antenna, which I got over 10 years ago. I did many training courses since, and am now conducting my own full-time research with this small but very precious instrument. It is a small investment, but a big step towards your health and well-being in many ways. This course focuses on the geobiology part of your health and well-being. This course is meant for anyone interested in working with the secret knowledge and materials of the ancient builders of the megalithic sites to clear negative energies or geopathic stress from a room, space, office, terrain, field, and so on. This course is also meant for anyone interested in improving their health and well-being and the energies of their home. This course is also meant for anyone wanting to look for water, to dig a well on your land or look for water in a desert, for example, or to look for gold, silver, treasures, water pipes, and so forth. After taking this course, you will acquire following knowledge and skills. Know what geobiology and geopathic stress, energies which are hazardous to human health, are. Know what a Lecher antenna is and how it works. Know how to handle and use the Lecher antenna correctly. Know what energies cause geopathic stress that have undesirable effects to human and animal health. Know at what settings on the Lecher antenna the energies causing geopathic stress can be measured and how to measure them. Know how to measure the energies and look for geopathic stress on a bed. Know how to measure the energies and look for geopathic stress in a room or space. Know how to measure the energies and look for geopathic stress on a floor plan or map. Know how to measure the three-dimensional imprint of the energies and geopathic stress on a person. Know how to correct geopathic stress by means of a crystal or crystals, including those by the ancient builders of the megalithic monuments. Know how to correct major geopathic stress by means of secret but low budget or free materials used by the ancient builders of the megalithic monuments. Know how to balance the energies and improve the vibrational qualities of a room by means of broadcasting with specific colors, chromotherapy. Know how to improve your health and well-being by making minor corrections or fine-tuning your home place, office, room, and so on. Know how to improve and to enhance the energetic quality of your office and rooms in your home place by means of broadcasting and fine-tuning. Understand and be able to interpret complex energy measurements. know how to look for water, to dig a well on your land or look for water in a desert, for example, to look for gold, for silver, for treasures, water pipes, and so forth. This concludes section 1, Introduction.